Click on the product catalog at the left side of the screen. You will see the list of your product that you have on Stripe. Make sure to set up your product first before adding it to the pricing table. If you don't have any product yet, then tap on the Create Product button to add new one. After that, hit the pricing table subpage over here to create the pricing table. And then tap on Create Pricing Table at the top right corner. First, select your product to be added in the table. Tap on the Add Another Product to add more product. After adding the necessary product, you want to scroll down and customize the display as you like. I just recommend you to use the highlight product option to make one of your product more stand out. After you are sure with everything, click on Continue button. And you can customize your payment page for each of your product in the pricing table. Just scroll down and adjust the payment settings for each product. After that, click on Continue again. And you are good to go. Here is the code that you can add on your website. If you don't understand how to embed the code, you can always go to the YouTube and then search for the keyword like this and adjust the website builder in the keyword as you have right now. For example, I'm using Wix as my website builder, but you can use WordPress or any other website builder. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.